Hello, I'm Ray Hearn with authentic lockdown hairdo. I'm here to try and get everybody writing. The BBC got a project called Novels That Shaped Our World, and it's designed to work with libraries to increase levels of reading in local communities. In Rotherham, we thought that as well as encouraging more reading, we'd like to challenge readers to try their hands at their own writing. Readers as writers. Especially thinking about lockdown, trying to make sense in their own words of these last few months, locked away. So we've put together 3 short video workshops to help anyone who wants to get started on some lockdown writing. And we've called it Paragraph, Page or Poem, because what you choose to write is up to you. It could be, for example, a short paragraph about your feelings at some stage of lockdown, or all through lockdown, or a page of moments you want to remember, or that you'd perhaps like to forget, or a poem maybe that draws a particular picture about some experience in a memorable way. Or you can have a go at all 3 if you want. There'll be 3 workshops, so let's have 3 pieces of writing. When we set about writing something, everyone starts at the same place, a blank page. Usually, we don't know what's going to be on it when we get to the bottom. It's a voyage of discovery. That's the best way to see writing. What you write, in the way you write, is up to you. And that's our task then, if you're up for it, to write 3 pieces, 1 per workshop. A paragraph, a page, or a poem. Some of you might know Black Diamonds, Catherine Bailey's book about Wentworth Woodhouse. Well, that image of digging up diamonds out of the darkness, it's a great image for what we all try to do as writers. So let's each of us, in our own time, try to unearth out of the mines of memory and imagination 3 personal little diamonds of our own from that dark period of lockdown. First, something about the world before lockdown. Second, looking at the world during lockdown, and it's been quite some time now. And a third one, trying to picture our own afterwards. Something about life after lockdown. First for us today then, we're going to think about the world before lockdown. For most of us, the world is composed of memories, even if yours, like mine, is starting to go a bit. Let's try to focus on one memory, just one of yours, and it's about you going somewhere with somebody else. It could be from last year. It might be 10, 20, might be 40 years ago. Picture it in your mind, or doodle it, make notes. Who are you with? Your mum, your dad, your brother, your sister, your cousin, some imaginary friend, a child in a pram? Where are you going? What are you going to do? See if you can picture it for yourself. Are you going to school? Are you going to the head teacher's office? Are you going to church, to the barber's, to the playground, to the supermarket? Are you going to the pictures? Are you going to the statis? Those who remember. Are you out with the lads or lasses on the town? Where else might you have been going? Paint us a picture. Tell us the story. What can you see? What can you hear? What might be able to smell or even taste? Are there any landmarks around you? Any street names? Any characters you can remember? Rough something out, and then when you've got a version, read it over to yourself a few times. Try reading it out loud. Are there any words or phrases that you think might be better cut out? Or perhaps the odd word that might be changed for a more active or energetic word? If it's a poem, is it better with rhymes or without? Or perhaps a bit of both, here or there? These are the kind of things that they mean by editing, and it's a crucial skill to practice if you want to keep improving your writing. So in a nutshell, what we want to do is to defy lockdown by locking up a memory in words of our own choice. A paragraph, a page, or a poem. You going somewhere with somebody to do something. That's today's challenge. Now lift up that pen or start clicking on that keyboard. Don't wait till tomorrow. We've got 2 more workshops to come. So let's get writing. And when you've written your piece, send it to us at the address at the bottom of the screen. We want to collect together a selection and then make another video of us reading them out. So write something, send it in, and let's see how many we can read out. Thank you, one and all. Next time, we'll try and write something about life during lockdown.